Abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi. Lezi ngane lezi zishushu showcase, le mali engaka le izosebenza, le mali engaka sizoyisebenzisa, le mali engaka le izosebenza, le mali engaka sizoyisebenzisa, ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, andazi manikhethe, andazi manithatho, ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, andazi manikhethe, andazi manithatho, ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, andazi manikhethe, andazi manithatho. Nandilipoho, ndilipoho, 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 ndilipoho elisela huko, hamba namabhoho asela huko. Xa sesisonke sinxila kuze kuhle, xa sesisonke sinxila kuze kuhle, xa sivuka ngomso sinxile kuze kuhle, xa sivuka ngomso sinxile kuze kuhle, ngoba abantu bahle baningi, abantu bahle baningi, andazi manikhethe, andazi manithatho. Kojabula amasoka.
Ngithi uyabona nje uma ungibona, uyabona ukuthi ngandlela thize nazi iy'buko ziyasho asifani, uyabo. So ukuthi uyangazi nami ngiyakwazi, akungabi engathi siyazana, ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi ungazela mhlampe izinto ey'ngekho right, okanye awungazi ngale ndlela ewuthando. Manje mina ngiyafana nokuthi angikwazi uma kunjalo, uyabona. Yeah, so stick to that.
Maybe my ancestors can answer as to why aka-dreams achieve. Bheka manje ngisebhayi, kumnandi, kulate. Phethe idakhi elitswembu, impilo imnandi kakhulu. Tough firm and fresh, ismile ngathi uchess. Amehlakhe around ngathi ubuso bakhe. Nalo mhlaba uround, maybe ngakhe umhlaba wami. Yazi ngizama ukukhonektha le Wi-Fi, yabo. Mangqikile kanje, yenza into engekho. Kodwa make ngaphakama esofeni ngathi iyakhonekteka-ke kahle, yabo. Kushuthi le Wi-Fi ngifuna umuntu ovilaphayo, ifuna umuntu okhuthele ngoba manje mangqikile. ayi-connect kodwa uma ngiphakamile ngisukumile ngithe iya-connect
These niggas easy like walking. Ngiloko ngibahedile nje mfowami, ngibaheda kanje. Every step I take siyaheda. Yabo. Ubomi nje. Ngiyaheda. Yahlehle inqama, yaheda. Yaqhuba, yaheda. Iloko ihedile nje lento. Yabo? Yeah. Hayi la nto lo ngihedile nje. Bahede mfowami bonke. Yaheda inqama. Yabona lapha kowethu kwaMbongo siwo maqaba inkungu vele ilanga ivile elifishane leza nonina mangithi leza nonina uyabona sabantu bawumeme uyayibona yonke le impilo yethu ngifocusile komeme ngoba kahle kanje sifuna umeme sifuna sibone sigrand yonke into nje yameme umele ihlezi grand imoto nice and easy yabo yeah ijoyous uyayibona yonto le yeah manje usebenza nje mongaka yabo yeah cause ayashesha mfethu kuba grand yini yabo bayiloko nje nalokho awubona phela yabo yeah sengiyasho ukuyena ke leza abantu besilisa uyabona sisebenzela bona owakithi yabona kulivindi maye ngekho eduze kwami kulivindi wakithi maye ngekho eduze kwami owakithi wakwithi uyayibona lento leyo so inkosi yami Eltran ay it's the views the oceans of kathi kapha sengayovakasha nje phesheya yazi phesheya ngikhuluma ngalo wangama yabo sazoya kakhulu khona la yabo kodwa amanye amaphesheya akhona la eSouth Africa akubona inanto iLesotho nelantuka kuphela kula eSouth Africa phakathi yabo kunje thina sihamba ezinye indlela yabo ngoba nawo lamathenda asuke ephumela kwakhe imigaqo kuseyowakhe imigaqo ukuthi manje ehamba abantu abathize bese ushintsha uyiswa phakwe laqala khona izwe likhona la eSouth Africa esithi thina liphesheya okanye kanjani njani ngale kwe-Oran.
Dripping like mntwana kaKwedini inoma ndiva ngayo. Hey. The goddess of lights came for a visit. Feel, ningfiqeni ofeel. I am Havam Seth. Nexesha lenu lonke, nexesha lenu lonke. Ningfiqeni ofeel, ningfiqeni ofeel. I am Havam Seth. Nexesha lenu lonke, nexesha lenu lonke. Asibani odumile. Bangaka abangani bakhe abasebenza kahle. Ikuphi inkinga? Ikubona noma ikwena. Bangaka abaphumelela ophila kahle nabo. Engayenza kodwa ayi apha kum. Cause njengaye nje khandi west. Ewe ungalenza but hayi apha kuthi e-areeni uyaziwa ngedrag awupholanga nomsi ndogqithi kodwa ewe ungayenza but hayi apha kuthi. Feel, ningfiqeni ofeel. I am Havam Seth. Nexesha lenu lonke, nexesha lenu lonke. Ningfiqeni ofeel, ningfiqeni ofeel. I am Havam Seth. Nexesha lenu lonke, nexesha lenu lonke. Kuyakhalwa nge-hardwork yakho. Thiwa ise-Las Vegas, wena ula. Akushiwonga ukuthi ayikho, kuthiwe ise-Las Vegas, wena ula. Kusayiwo lowo carpet. Ungena stain. Kazi indlu yakhona injani. Uma ucarpet wakhona ungena stain. Engayenza kodwa ayi apha kum. Cause njengaye nje khandi west. Ewe ungalenza but hayi apha kuthi e-areeni uyaziwa ngedrag awupholanga nomsi ndogqithi kodwa ewe ungayenza but hayi apha kuthi. Asibani odumile. Bangaka abangani bakhe abasebenza kahle. Ikuphi inkinga? Ikubona noma ikwena. bangaka abaphumelela ophila kahle nabo. And besides that, you see, when I was a young boy, a very young boy, I was a Boy Scouts. There are things called Scouts, you see. I'm not sure if they are done now because they are referred to as old curriculum or something like that. But yeah, their values stay old too. So there has to be like the one thing for girls again now. You see, it was for us boys, and then for boys it was Scouts, and then for girls it was Girl Scouts or something. Girl Guides, yeah, Girl Guides, because we were Scouts, you see. Yeah, used to be there. Let's say, yeah. So there used to be something that was used to be sang by Girl Guides, you see. Yeah, because they feel used to be we're doing the thing there, and then the Girl Guides are doing also their thing, you see. It's just an after school type of a thing, you see. So you could hear the songs they sing from there, you know. So it used to be like, Girl Guides, be prepared, it's our motto, be prepared, it's our Girl Guides, be prepared, it's our motto, be prepared, it's our motto. Or you may be asking where are the Boy Scout songs, hey, see those ones, hey. They are like, you know, they're like some type of songs. That's right now we are on Girl Guys. Uyabo uma ngibuyisele emuva ngizwe ngathi ngiyali-undermine idlozi lami, yabo. Yeah, angisebenzi indaba ka-Back to Sender, yabo. Kusho ukuthi phela sengiyafana nalo thumela ekuqaleni uma sengithi Back to Sender, yabo. Kanti uNkulunkulu wani mangisazoyilwela, yabo. Yeah, ukuthi sijabule nje ngoba thina sinje njengamajubu. Can't claim my time, can't claim my time. I got some things I want to achieve. Want to have least things like I'm white. Work out every day like I got a farm. Poor. I could blame the niggas, but they maintain, man.